Hi everyone, my name is Camille. I'm a hairstylist from Brooklyn, New York. I collaborated with UNice to teach you and give you some tips how to take care of your natural hair underneath your wigs. The first tip is going to be every 2 weeks cleansing your hair with a clarifying shampoo and conditioner to lift excess oil and dirt to promote healthy scalp care and hair growth. Second tip is if you wear wigs on a daily basis, monthly treatments are necessary depending on your hair needs. If you have dry hair, you should probably use an oil treatment. Grapeseed oil is one of my favorite. If you're experiencing breakage, I recommend a protein treatment. My final tip is the maintenance. Make sure to get a trim every 3 to 5 months to avoid split ends. Use these tips to take better care of your natural hair under your wig. Stay tuned for more tips with UNice for You Natural Hair Day. Happy You Natural Hair Day, UNice!